Hi guys, welcome to Beat Math. We already talked about several methods to factor polynomials. Using the crossing method seems to need more skills than others, but don't worry. Today we are just going to practice on some more exercises together so that you will understand this method better. Let's look at the first exercise. X squared minus 2x minus 15. Here, negative 15 can be the product of 1 and negative 15, negative 1 and 15, 3 and negative 5, negative 3 and 5. When using the crossing method, the result of 1x plus negative 15x is negative 14x. The result of negative x plus 15x is 14x. The result of 3x plus negative 5x is negative 2x. The result of negative 3x plus 5x is 2x. So only the pair of 3 and negative 5 brings us the result that we want. Then we get the quantity of x plus 3 times the quantity of x minus 5. Let's look at another one. 3x squared minus 18x minus 21. Keep in mind that if there is a common factor, we must first factor out the common factor before we apply the crossing method. Like this one, we must factor out 3 first, rewrite the polynomial into 3 times the quantity of x squared minus 6x minus 7. Now we can apply the crossing method. Here, the negative 7 can be the product of 1 and negative 7, negative 1 and 7. Applying the crossing method, the pair of 1 and negative 7 brings us the result, negative 6x. We must not forget to bring the 3 along for the result. It will be 3 times the quantity of x plus 1 times x minus 7. Now, let's move on to the next one. 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. Here the coefficient of x is not 1. Pay attention, because the left side of the cross is x and 2x, not x and x anymore. Here the 3 can be the product of 1 and 3, negative 1 and negative 3. Do the calculations by using the crossing method. The pair of 1 and 3 will bring us the result 7x. We'll get the quantity of 2x plus 1 times the quantity of x plus 3. Here is the last example for today. 4x quad plus 2x cubed minus 6x squared. This one seems a bit difficult at the first glimpse, but if we just follow all the steps we have been talking about, it will be okay. First, decide if there are any common factors. If yes, factor it out. So, is there any common factor in this one? Yes, 2 and x squared are the common factors here. Factoring them out, we get 2x squared times the quantity of 2x squared plus x minus 3. Then we apply the crossing method. Here, the negative 3 can be the product of 1 and negative 3, negative 1 and 3. Do the calculation by using the crossing method. The pair of negative 1 and 3 will bring us the result x. Don't forget to bring the common factor 2x squared along for the final result, and it is 2x squared times the quantity of x minus 1 times the quantity of 2x plus 3. Hope you enjoyed this video. The exercises we talked about today will give you a good understanding of the crossing method. In the next video, we will show you the last method of factoring polynomials, the regrouping method. Please stay tuned. If you have any questions, leave your comments below or email us. We will try to answer your questions in a future video, and the most common questions will be given priority in our next video. If you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to click the bell button to turn on notifications, so when we answer your question in a future video, you'll be notified. See you next time.